Hello children, now second class mathematics. Write multiplication tables of 9. So here in previous class 2 we already learned 4 table, 6 table and 7 table. Now we learn 9 table. Which table? 9 table. So children, here write the multiplication table of 9. Here giving, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boxes are shaded. So 9 ones are 9. 1 time 9 boxes. 9 ones are 9. Then 2 times. Again 9. So 9. How many times having 9? 2 times. So 9 twos are 18. See children, same like that only. Next one, yes, in previous class 2 also you learn. Next, this 9 box also will shade it. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Here 9 box will shade it. Now 3 boxes will be completed. Now 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 6 boxes, 7, 8, 9. So 9 boxes. So 9 ones are 9, 9 3 times. 9 3s are how many? Till here 18 will be completed. Afterwards 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. Next, we'll shade it here. Again 9 boxes. So 2 will complete it. Then 3. You shade properly. Nine, how many times? 4 times. 9 4s are. So till here 27 will be completed children. Here to count 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 9 4s are how much? 36. 9 4s are 36. Then next again 9. We'll shade. Pencil to draw children. Pencil to shade it. Okay. Shade with pencil. Don't use crayons or pens. Okay. Sharp your pencil and do properly. See here. 9. How many times? 5 times. 9 5s are how much? Till here 36 will be completed. Next 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 9 5s are 45. Then again 9. Add it. Shade it. Okay. Again 9 boxes. Shade it. Shade 9 boxes. Shade all of you. Here also shade. Here also. Here also will shade. Now 9. How many times? 6 times. 9 6 are how much till here? 45 completed. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are how much? 54. Next, shade again 9 boxes. Shade all of you. 9 boxes shade. Okay, draw clearly. Fill it, that boxes fill. Okay children, see here, shade this 9 boxes. So how many will be completed? 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 completed, 8 9. So 9, how many times having 9? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 9 7s are. 9 6 are 54. Till here 54. So then 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. Next, again 9. Same just like only. Add it all, shade it all of you. Okay. Shade children. And then count and shade. How many? 9. Only 9 will shade. Don't shade this box. Okay, don't shade this. 9 boxes. So now 9. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. 9 8s are here. 63 completed. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. 9 8s are 72. Next. Shade it children. Next 9 boxes will shade. See here, 9 times. 9 9s are 72 completed. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. 9 9s are 81. Last one here. This also, I'll count it. Shade it. Shade it children. All of you shade. Shade all of you. So 9 10s are how much? 90. Learn children, 9 table learn children. 9 1s are 9. Say 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. Say 9 3s are how much? 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are how much? 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. Okay children? In this previous class too, which table we learn? Say two tables, say children. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are how much? 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are how much? 30. Next one, 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Then 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Next 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Then 8 table, same this like will keep and write your 8 table also. Okay. Now 9 table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Understand? You understand, children? Tables? You learn, children, okay? Now, next page number 88, 7th bit C. Look at the following table. Identify how table 3 has been written in the same manner. Write table 6. See here. Table 2 will given here. See here, table 2. 2, 4, 6, this like only given. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. This like only given 2 table. Are you understand? In 2 table 2, which numbers will given? The product numbers only. This here having children, this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This one only here wrote. So now table 1 given. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3. Like that only one table given. See here 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 41, 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. See here, 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. One logic is there, children. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 table. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 4, 12. 10 plus 5, 15. 12 plus 6, 18. So in 2 table 2, one table will adding means 3 table will came. Yes? Okay. Now here giving 5 table. So right. First of all 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. So now one table. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. Here 5 plus 1, 6, 10 plus 2, 12, 15 plus 3, 18, 20 plus 4, 24, 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 6, 31, 32, 33, how much? 36. 35 plus 7, how much? 35 plus 7, 42. 40 plus 8, 48. 45 plus 9, count, how much? 54. 50 plus 1, 50 plus 10, 60. Are you understand, children? See. There 5 table will 6 table here. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Now here count the flowers shown below. Write their numbers under each flower pot. See here. Here how many flowers having? They are writing that flowers numbers. Here how many having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 writing here. 1, 2, 3. So 3 write here. Next 1, 2. 2. Here 1. Here 0. So not there only one flower also. So we'll write 0. See here. Write the multiplication table of 0. 1, 0. Not there flowers. 0. 2 zeros. So here having flowers? No. So 2 0 0. 3 zeros? 0. Then 4 zeros. 4 into 0. 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 6 zeros are 0. 7 zeros are 0. 8 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. 10 zeros are 0. Right, children? Right, all of you. This also 5 table. They also write. This also write. See, children, in 0 to any number will multiplication will do. The product will come 0 only. The answer will come 0. So any number to multiplication with 0. So 0 only came. Okay, are you understand, children? Okay, complete this. And this also will write. This also write. In your notebook too, this box will write. Okay, children? Okay, children.